I'm completely stressed out. I have a million things on my plate. I'm exhausted. I have no makeup on because of how much stuff I have going on. With all that I have going on, I really wanted to film an empties video for you guys because I have a feeling this is going to be my last empties video for a while. In case you guys didn't know, I am in the process of moving, so I have so much going on right now. I have so many empties that I need to go through and talk to you guys about. Yeah, with that being said, this is probably my last empties video for a while. I will try to do it while I'm in like my apartment. So in case you guys don't know, I'm moving out of this house, moving into an apartment temporarily. This house is getting renovated. Then I will be moving back into this house. I know, it's, when I say it, I'm like, oh God, I can't believe we're actually doing this. Like, are we crazy? Like, we're going to do this, but we are. So I'm gonna be moving into a 1-bedroom apartment with me, my boyfriend, and my dog. With that being said, I have a lot of shit to talk to you guys about. A lot of this are hits, some of them are misses. We'll get into all of that. If you're interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into this video. Most of the empties are gonna be body care products because I'm really trying to finish I'm not gonna be able to finish everything, but I'm trying to finish a majority of like the perfumes and stuff that I have so that I'm not moving all of it with me. So I've just been like using everything, not like, I'm a kind of like a hoarder when it comes to like my perfumes and lotions. I kind of like save them for special occasions. But right now I'm like, fuck the special occasions. I need to not be moving with a million things. So yeah, a lot of this is like body care and whatnot. So starting off with this. This is from Naturium. This is their Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Butter. You guys, the best body butter out there. It has a very clean, fresh scent. So if you're somebody that like doesn't like a lot of scented things, you would really like this. It's almost fragrance free in my opinion. Like, it has a very light, clean, fresh scent to it. So this, if you're sensitive to scents or you just want something that's really going to hydrate your body, especially with how cold this winter is, you are going to love this. I absolutely love it. I definitely will pick this up in the future. Right now I'm not going to because I have a million other things I need to go through, but this definitely on my list for when I'm not moving. So sticking with being hydrated and glowy, I have 2 empties from Salt Air. These are their body oils, you guys. I absolutely love these body oils from Salt Air. I have one in the scent Exotic Pulp. Then I have one in their viral scent Sandtail Bloom. There's like a little bit left, but I literally can't get anything else out of them. I love these. Clearly, I have gone through them. They're amazing. If you like to smell good and you want your skin to be a little glowy, but not like overly glowy, and you also want some hydration, you guys, these, the way, oh my God, I love how the Santal one smells. This in Exotic Pulp, I do like it. It's a very unique scent. So it's definitely not gonna be for everybody. Exotic Pulp is very appropriate because it is very exotic. It's not like anything I've ever smelled before. Santal Bloom is very Santal. It's very warm and woodsy. I just really love this scent. It smells amazing, but I actually just love the formula of these two. They're very nice. They're not too thick, but they're not too thin. So you're really gonna get a nice hydration when you do use these. I absolutely love them. I have like a bunch that I got sent in PR, so I don't need to repurchase those right now, but if I didn't have them, I would 1000% already have repurchased them because I absolutely love Salt Air. I love all their products, and these body oils, 10 out of frigging 10. Okay, so I actually just finished this morning. This is the Viral Tower 28 SOS spray. This is pretty much like an antibacterial spray for your face. So I like to use this morning and night. I will use it the first thing I do when I get out of the shower after I cleanse my face. I will spray this on a clean, dry face just to kind of like get rid of any other bacteria that's on my skin. You guys, I absolutely love this spray. I think it does a great job at keeping your skin nice and clear. Like, obviously I still will get like the occasional breakout, but that's totally normal for me. I love this, and I will definitely be repurchasing this at some point because this one I really like, and the one from Prequel, that one. These are the hypochlorous, I don't know how to pronounce it. This one from Tower 28, and then Prequel makes a very similar spray. I love the both of them, but I think I may repurchase the Prequel one because I did just finish this one, and that one I do love too, so I kind of like want to alternate. So I think my next one will be the Prequel, and then I'll go back to the Tower 28, but either one, you guys, are amazing. I do love them, and I feel like they do make a really big difference in your skin and your skin's health. 10 out of 10 recommend either that one or the Prequel one. So I finished this from OC. This is their hyaluronic acid, hyaluronic body serum. So I do really like this, but I don't know if I would necessarily repurchase this because I do like something that's a little bit thicker, a little bit more hydrating. This also doesn't have a crazy scent to it. It kind of just smells like nothing in my opinion. Like, it has some type of scent, but nothing like perfumey or anything like that. I did really like this, and I finished it pretty quickly. This was 4 fluid ounces, and honestly, I finished it in about a month. So would I repurchase this? I don't 100% know. I'm not like the Glow Getter body butter. I was like, oh my god, I can't believe I'm running out of this. I was so sad. This I was kind of just trying to get through. It wasn't something that like really wowed me, if that makes sense. I go for something more like this. So this, I definitely will repurchase. That one, ooh, I don't know. Could not believe I finished this from Rare Beauty. This is their Fine Comfort Body and Hair Fragrance. You guys, I absolutely love this. There's literally nothing left in here. This lasted me, no joke, for like a year. I love using this fresh out of the shower at night because it is a very calming scent. Like it's very, in my opinion, it's nighttime. Like I don't know if I would necessarily wear this during the day. Like I have, but I do prefer to wear this at night right out of the shower. I think it smells amazing. Literally the name Fine Comfort is perfect for it because it is just such a calming, comforting scent. I absolutely love it. I did finish their body lotion not too long ago. So this, you guys, I love it. I do have a backup that they sent me in PR, so I'm so excited. I haven't opened it yet, but if I didn't have that backup, I would have already repurchased this because you guys, it smells amazing and it is perfect for nighttime. It's just, it's so good. Let's talk about this from Nature Well. These went viral on TikTok a few months ago. This is the, what is this? Bouncy Hair and Body Fragrance Mint. So it's essentially a dupe for the Sol de Janeiro. This one in the scent Bouncy is a dupe for, I think, 49 or 48. I forget which one it is. I'll have it linked below, or I'll have it in the description below. I forget which one this is a dupe for, but I do like this. I just wish that they lasted a little bit longer. Like, I don't know what it is. When I first got them, I was obsessed with them. They lasted for such a long time. But the more that I had it, the more that I just realized it wasn't like really good at lasting. So, I mean, they are really affordable. They're like 10 bucks and they're like, you get 4 fluid ounces. So, I mean, if you're with somebody that wants to take this on the go, take it to the gym with you, that I wouldn't mind it for. But for like something that's gonna give you longevity, I don't think this is it. It smells almost identical to Chorizo from Sol de Janeiro, but I don't know if it's necessarily like my favorite. Like it definitely smells identical, but I would prefer it to last a little bit longer. I was so sad when I finished this. This is from Fleur. This is their perfume in the scent Mood Ring. You guys, this is literally gummy bears. If you like the way gummy bears smell, you are going to love this. Oh my god, I finished it this week and I was so upset about it because it's one of my favorites from Fleur. I haven't repurchased it because of the fact I have a million freaking perfume bottles. Like I need to go through them and stop buying perfume. But you guys, if you like sweet, like fruity gummy berry scents, you guys, you are going to love this. And it lasts such a freaking long time. It's literally one of my favorites from Fleur. It's a 10 out of 10. Okay, now let's talk about a perfume that I would not repurchase. This is the new one from Khloe Kardashian. It's available at Ulta. I don't actually even know the name of it. I just know it's Khloe Kardashian's perfume. I was really disappointed with this. It's like very powdery and almost like old lady-ish. I don't really know, but it did not last a long time at all. Like when I would wear this to work, for like the first few hours I would smell it and then it would just like disappear into nothing. So I literally am at work for like 10 hours a day, so not a lot of perfumes can withstand that. But this, you guys, it was $80 and it's a Kardashian perfume. I feel like they can do a better job at it lasting. So this, I literally just like would spray it a million times on myself because I was like, I need to get rid of this because it's just not worth it in my opinion. And it doesn't smell all that great either. Like it doesn't smell like BO or anything like that, but it's just not a perfume where I'm like, oh my god, you guys need this. The Fleur Mood Ring, 10 out of 10. That one from Khloe Kardashian, like a 3 out of 10, honestly. Now, a perfume that is affordable and 1000% worth your money is this from Zara. This is Marshmallow Addiction. You guys, this smells absolutely incredible. Every time, oh my god, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like fruity. It's mainly just fruity. I wouldn't necessarily say it's like florally. It's very fruity and it's just such a beautiful scent. So if you like floral scents and you're somebody that wants something to last a long time, this, you guys, was like $17 at Zara. You get 1 fluid ounce. It is a perfume, so it is like a little expensive for the fact that you only get 1 ounce and it is a Zara perfume. But you guys, a little goes such a long way. No joke. Every time I would wear this perfume, I get stopped and asked what perfume I'm wearing because it just smells amazing and it lasts such a long time. That is 100% worth your money. If you want your shower and you want your entire bathroom, your hallway, whatever it is to smell good for days and yourself, you're gonna wanna pick this up from Saltaire. This is their serum body wash in the scent Green Grapefruit. You guys, no joke, when I would use this body wash, my entire shower, my bathroom, my hallway, everything would smell like this, and obviously myself. This is one of my favorite scents from Saltaire. Oh my god, I love it. It's very summery. So if you're not somebody that likes summer scents in the winter, then I wouldn't pick this up. But if you don't care, because I personally don't give a shit, I will wear a summer scent in the winter. I will wear a fall scent in the summer. Like, I don't care if it smells good. It's going on. I don't really give a shit. This, you guys, oh my god, it is amazing. You get 17 fluid ounces and it's like it's not even 14 bucks. I think it's like $12. It will last you such a long time. Your entire bathroom will smell like this for hours when you get out of the shower. It's just such an experience. It smells amazing. I would 100% repurchase this. I just have like 9,000 other body washes I need to go through, but if I didn't, this would be first on the list. So you better believe when I move back into this house and I need to stock my bathroom, I will be stocking it with this because 10 out of freaking 10. Let's talk about another perfume that is not worth your money. This is from Estee Lauder. This is in the scent Beautiful Magnolia. It took me so long to go through this because I didn't want to believe that a perfume that cost this much did not last at all. So it smells amazing, you guys. It smells a lot better than the Khloe Kardashian one. It's powdery but floral at the same time. So me personally, I love it. But you guys, I would spray this like 10 times and within an hour or two, like the scent would be gone. So I don't know what it is. Like, I like to get whiffs of my perfume throughout the day so I can be like, all right, we're still smelling good, we're rocking, we're rolling, we're good. No, you guys, with this, it just didn't do it for me. I wanted it to last so much longer than it did, and it was so disappointing that it didn't last. If you were thinking about getting it, or if you smelt it in the store and you're like, oh my god, I really want it, don't even waste your time with it because it's just, no, it's not worth it. If it wasn't that expensive, I would say, all right, if it was sold at Zara, yeah, spend $20, $30 on it, who cares? It's like it's like over $100, I think. It's literally insane. It's not worth it. Don't be tricked. Don't do it. Did really like it when I first got it. I'm pretty sure I made a TikTok about it because I was like, oh my god, this smells amazing. But it does smell amazing, but it just stopped lasting a long time. So I don't know what's going on there. I don't know. This one, you guys, this is, I don't even know what this scent is. I'm gonna say it's Yara. I'm gonna link it below. I got mine from Amazon. Holy crap. This smells amazing. Now, this is a strong florally scent. It's not gonna be for everybody. If you're sensitive to smells, you may not like this, but you guys, no joke, every time I would wear this, I would get 1,000,001 compliments on it because it just smells so good. Let me see if there's anything left. Oh my god, there's like a few sprays. I'm gonna smell so funny because I keep spraying everything on me. Guys, I absolutely love this. It was like under $30 and it lasted me such a long about it. Every time I spray it, I do like have an allergic reaction. I do sneeze a few times, but once I get past the sneezing, we're all good. I love this. It's under $30 or it's just exactly $30. I'm not 100% sure, but you guys, you can get yours on Amazon. I will have it linked down below. If you like florally scents, this, you are gonna wanna pick this up. I spoke about this eye cream in the video I posted the other day, so I'm not gonna spend too long on it. This is from IT Cosmetics. It's Confidence in an Eye Cream. You guys, when I first tried this eye cream, I was shocked. I really didn't think that I would like it as much as I do. No, I'm fucking obsessed with this. It is amazing. There's some like eye cream left over on the sides, but it's not even worth like dipping my whole finger in there because I had a backup already anyway. But yeah, I already repurchased this because I cannot be without this. By the way, I haven't repurchased this yet because you guys know the drill when it comes to perfumes. I'm trying not to buy them, okay? But this, you guys, this eye cream, if you're looking for something that's hydrating, that's going to help make your under eyes look, I wouldn't say bright, but they just look nice and healthy and they will be so hydrated. Like, this is my favorite nighttime eye cream. I am obsessed with it. And yeah, I would repurchase this 1,000 times because it's so worth it. I absolutely love it. An eye cream that I was really obsessed with, and I still really like this, but it's so expensive, is the Skin by Kim eye cream. So clearly I literally wiped this jar clean. It is an amazing eye cream. It's just so expensive. It's like $70 and you get like 1 fluid ounce. Meanwhile, where is it? This is the larger version of the IT Cosmetics one and I think it's like 60 and you get a lot more. Oh, you actually get 1 fluid ounce in here too. So for whatever reason, this is bigger than this. I don't even know how much you get in the Skin by Kim one, but I do really like this. It's great for hydrating. Would I repurchase it? Yes. But right now I'm currently obsessed with the IT Cosmetics one. So that one I'm going to rock out with for a little bit. And then maybe at some point I would repurchase this because I'm all about the hydrating under eye creams. I do love a good brightening under eye cream, but there's just something about the hydrating ones. Like I cannot get away from them because my skin is just so dry. So that Skin by Kim one is good if you wanted to try it. I don't think you'll be disappointed, but right now I'm obsessing over the IT Cosmetics one. Guys, I've spoke about this a million times. I'm not gonna bore you too much. This is the Bioderma Micellar Water. 10 out of 10, the best micellar water on the market. Doesn't burn my eyes, doesn't break me out, does a great job at removing all of my makeup. This is a great product. I literally travel with it. I always have it on hand because I cannot be without this Bioderma. It's a staple. It's something that I will forever repurchase because it's just amazing. So if you wanted an affordable, and you can get it on Amazon, affordable micellar water that's not gonna break you out, burn your eyes, irritate your skin, this, the best. Let's talk about this from Strivectin. I have these lines, they're called tech lines, and honestly you guys, I'm not thrilled that I have them, but I have them and I kind of just have to deal with it. So this is the Tighten and Lift Peptide Tightening Neck Serum Roller. I absolutely love this. Now I still have those lines, but to be totally honest with you guys, they're not as pronounced as they once were. Like this, I definitely feel like helps control those lines. It doesn't make them as pronounced. I love that. I love this. It is pretty expensive, so I try to buy it when it is on sale. I get mine at ULTA, and honestly, it's on sale a lot because ULTA always has like crazy sales. So that, I already repurchased it before I ran out of it because I was like, no. We are not gonna have these tech lines be more pronounced than they already are. So yeah, I purchased that, absolutely love it. I will continue to repurchase it, and I do think it's worth it. Sorry. Another product that I just continuously repurchase, I always, like whenever I'm running out of it, I always make sure that I restock. This is the Tropic Glow Tree Hut Moisturizing Shave Oil. I buy this scent and I buy the vanilla. I really don't care about the scent too much because I'm more interested in the product. Like this does a great job at moisturizing your legs. Doesn't give any ingrown hairs, doesn't give you any razor burn. I use it to shave everywhere and I have zero problems with it. I absolutely love this. So this, it's affordable. I will definitely continue to repurchase it. Every time I'm like running low, I always make sure I go on Amazon, reorder it because I just cannot be without that. It's so good. Two more products that I want to share with you guys. This from Benefit, you guys. This is the 24-hour brow setter. If you have stubborn brows like me and your brows don't stay in place, you guys, you're gonna wanna pick this up. Forget the Refi one. The Refi one sucks. Forget any other brow gel. This is the one you're gonna wanna pick up. It doesn't give you any white flakies, doesn't make it look like you have dandruff, and your brows will stay in place all freaking day. I can promise you that. I will put this in my brows at 7:30 in the morning when I'm getting ready for work, and I won't take my makeup off till around 7:30 at night. My brows will still be nice and feathery. I do the feathery brow. I know it's not for everyone, but it's for me. And my brows will stay in place all frigging day. I'm currently obsessed with this. I literally have like 2 backups of it because it's just the absolute best. And I will not be without that brow gel. Last product I want to talk to you guys about is no surprise here. This is from Empties. This is their brunette dry shampoo. I literally mention this in every single one of my Empties video because it's my favorite dry shampoo. Now I am on a kick where I'm washing my hair every 2 days, so I kind of just throw this in like on day 2, like right before I'll wash it. Like I'll wash it at night and I'll just throw this in the morning, and that's really it. I just love it because it does do a good job at absorbing those oils, but it also does a great job giving your hair volume. So if you're somebody like me and your hair kind of falls easily, or you kind of just like lose volume at the root, or you work out and you have a ton of sweat in your root, whatever the case is, you guys, this is affordable. The brunette one is my favorite. I love this and I will continue to repurchase it because it's just the absolute best. All right, you guys, so that completes this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you have tried any of these products, if you plan on trying any of these products, and what you think. Yeah, so this might be my last Empties for a few months. Like I said, I'm gonna try to like do an Empties video when I'm living in my new apartment temporarily. But it's kind of hard because it's gonna be like a smaller space. I'm trying to like conserve room, if that makes sense. But yeah, so that's everything I have for you guys in today's video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.